Hi everybody, it's Allison from the Station Public Library. Today we're going to be going over a database called CultureGrams that we have through our library. So starting from our library homepage, we're going to go to Services and Resources, and I'll take us straight to our database page. We'll click on C and CultureGrams. If you're in the library, you can click on this button right here, but if you're doing this from home, you'll click on the Home button. Now normally what it will do is ask you to just put in your library card and password, and then it will take you to this page right here. So CultureGrams is all about current culture content. So if you're looking for information about different cultures, different places in the world, this is a really good resource to use. So as we can see, we have a world edition, so you can experience the world through cultural information on more than 200 countries. We have a kids edition, so you get a kid's eye view of different countries. The States edition, if you're learning all about the United States, and the provinces and territories of Canada. So I'm going to go into the Kids edition. Now when you click any one of these, it's going to give you a bunch of different options. So as you can see, we can choose from any continent. You could also choose up here. So I'm going to go ahead and choose Europe. And as you can see, we have this map here that's also interactive that you can click on. And you can click on any one of these countries to learn more about it, or you can scroll down to find the country you're looking for. So I'm just going to click on Poland, for example. Now when you go to any one of the countries, you'll get a basic page that gives you some did you know facts, the flag, different items. There's always different things that come up right over here. Sometimes it's about a person, sometimes, like for instance here, it's the coat of arms, sometimes it's about an instrument. It all depends on the culture. So as you scroll down, we have the flag. You can listen to this page, you can listen to the country name, you can hear the anthem, you can see a map of the country, some quick facts, and this, the average person infograph. Now this is really cool. So I'm going to enlarge this and bring it right over here. So what this is, it's showing you the average person in Poland based on statistical data. So how much money per capita a person in Poland has, median age in the country of Poland, how many years of school, and so on. And if you scroll down, you can also see where they live, what ethnicity most people in Poland are. You can also see what religion they are. And if you need to generate a citation, if you're doing this for school, for a bibliography, or for some work, you can generate a citation by just clicking right down there. And you have your MLA citation right there. So on the side over here, we also see World Vision. So we can print this out or view a full report. You can email this to yourself. If you're at the library and you need it to be emailed, we can also look at some things like photo galleries to see different photos of Poland, some slideshows, interviews from people from Poland, famous people from Poland, and recipes. If you want to learn some recipes, maybe you have some Polish heritage and you want to learn how to make some things, it's all right here. There's also some graphics and tables. Let's take a look at some of these. So if you want to create your own table and graphs, you can do that. You can find out the country's data, their extremes, any sort of sources, and we can go ahead and look over here and let's look at world leaders. Now we want to go down to Poland. So here's the president and here's our prime minister. And you can do that with all these countries, as you can see. I can also go on the top here to see any sort of photos or slideshows. All of these are up here as well. And I can just click on them here and just go to Poland. And it gives you two different options for slideshows. Some of them have more, some of them have less, but all of them are different depending on the country. And if I wanted to go back to the beginning, if I wanted to get out of the Kids edition, just click on CultureGrams. This resource is really great if you want to learn about different countries, a very in-depth statistical analysis of different countries, states, provinces. This is something that's really fun and can be a good educational tool for anybody. I hope you learned something and enjoyed this tutorial.